small kitchen space and you want to make the most out of your cabinet space, so you want any sort of storage things. This was the trouble I was having. So I don't have a lot of storage space here. My cabinets, I'm running out of room. So I was super happy when the brand gifted me this pull-out storage drawer. So as you can see, this is where I have my garbage and recycling, and this little shelf was kind of just a waste of space. I had a bunch of Ziploc bags kind of thrown in here, but to get to the back was super cumbersome, and I didn't even know what was in there. It was hard to see. So this is just a genius little way to be able to use them, get the most out of your space. And I absolutely love this. The drawer pulls out, super easy to use. This is a long, slim one. So they come in different sizes as well. I just wanted something so that I could have my parchment paper and saran wrap and some Ziploc bags here. And then I can still use this other space for other things that I need to put garbage bags or what have you here. So this makes a great use of the space, and it is really well made drawer. It's solid wood, and you can see even the dovetailing on the sides. It's just super well made, sturdy. It is not going to fall apart. It was fairly easy to put together. It took a little bit of work, but it just does exactly what I need it to do. It keeps everything neat and organized. I highly recommend getting this for anyone that has small kitchen and you are trying to find a way to get the most out of your storage space. This will make all of the difference. So check it out. Like I said, it comes in all different sizes. You can find whatever you need for whatever storage space you are trying to basically make the most of. So thanks again to the brand for gifting it.